cuties, it's that Jess here, and today I have got a first impression slash unboxing video for you today, hence why I'm starting the video behind the camera. So I will be unboxing some of the makeup from the Hello Kitty Colourpop makeup collaboration, which came out at the end of 2020. So I've got a couple items from the collection which were my absolute favourites, and I thought I'd start off with having a quick look at them and also doing some swatches, as that's obviously the most exciting part of any unboxing makeup video. So I've got the 9-pan eyeshadow palette, one of the blushes and the glitter set. First we shall start with the eyeshadow palette. Now this is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette and it is called Snow Much Fun, which is really sweet. This whole collection was like a wintry pastel themed, so it was obviously something I absolutely loved. Most of the colours are quite cool toned, but I think that's just really pretty, and I just love the whole kind of aesthetic of this collection that they brought out. So the palette has this most adorable snow globe design on the front. You've got the little twin stars Kiki and Lala, you've got Hello Kitty and My Melody inside this Hello Kitty themed snow globe, and it is actually glittery. I don't know if you can tell. On the back you've just got the colours, all their names and the name of the palette. So just give that a little open. So it's quite a small and compact palette, but I really like that as it makes it easier for storing and just using for travelling as well. Inside we have got the 9 Hello Kitty themed eyeshadow colours, which are so pretty. So on the top you've got 3 really shimmery shades, in the middle you've got 3 matte shades, and the bottom you've got 3 kind of subtle glittery shades that are a bit darker. First up we've got Fuzzy Mittens. That's like a gold champagne-y sparkly colour. This one is Cuddle Weather, so it's a really shimmery cool toned purple. This is Winterfall, which actually looks like an orange, but on the skin it looks really pink and shimmery. Next we have got Ice Skates, which is this orangey, like kind of pinky colour, and it is a matte. Next we've got Burr Baby, which is really hard to pick up on camera, but it is this really cute baby pink matte colour. And then we have got Snow Globe, which is kind of this corally pinky matte colour, which again is super pretty. Then we have got On Chill, which is kind of this like more neutral brownie tone shade, which has got some glitter in it, which is picking up fairly well. Then we have got Snowwear, which is like this burgundy, almost like wine colour with a little bit of sparkle in again, which is actually really pretty. And then finally we got Igloo Blues, which is again kind of like a corally toned pink, but it's got some glitter in it and it's a bit darker than the original coral pink matte shade. As with all Colourpop eyeshadows, they're again very pigmented and the colour payoff is really good, so I'm really happy with that eyeshadow palette. So next we have got one of the blushes from the collection. It's got all these really cute characters on, again the same as last time, and it is a pressed powder blush. And this is in shade At Frost Sight. So we're carrying on with a really sweet packaging and the glitter as well. So we shall have a look at this one. So it has got a really cute Hello Kitty print on the actual blush itself. It comes with a mirror at the top and it's this really pretty pink shade. It's one of my favourite shades of blush to go for. I just love it. So it's not actually picking up that well, but it is a really cute baby pink. The colour payoff isn't as good as the eyeshadows, but this is my first Colourpop blush, so I'm really excited to see how it goes on when I do my makeup. And then finally the last item I got from the Hello Kitty Colourpop collection was this glitter kit, which I couldn't say no to because I love adding glitter to all my makeup looks. It comes with 4 glitter pots and I'm really excited to see what these look like on the skin. First up we have got this purpley coloured glitter pot, and this is in the shade Twinkle Me. It's a little cute Hello Kitty bow on the top. I love all these little details. So this is Twinkle Me. It's really pretty. It's got like little silvery stars in it, and I think that's really cute for adding to your cheeks and just making a really sweet look. Next we have got this orange one, which I think is going to be quite fun to actually make a look with, as it's quite unusual to have orange glitter, and this is in the shade Cozy Glow. So this one is like a bright orange and it's just glitter, so no added little bits. Oh no, it's got a few like little tiny circle sequins, but the colour payoff on that is really pretty. Next we have got this pink glitter pot, which I feel like might be my favourite because it's pink, and this is in Ice Sparkle. So this colour pot isn't as pink as you might think, but it's very iridescent, which I love, as that's my go-to type of sparkle. So I will definitely be using this one a lot. And this one actually hasn't got any extra bits in it like the first one. It's just pure glitter. And then the final pot is like this white, maybe iridescent one again, and it is called Skate Date. It's really sweet. So if we thought the first one was iridescent, this one definitely is even more so. It is just a glitter, so it's not actually got any colour really to it. It's got like these tiny little hexagons that really reflect the light, and it is iridescent and very, very sparkly. That is actually it for the swatches. I'll give you a little bit of a closer look at the makeup. Hello, so I am back in front of the camera this time, as I will be using the Hello Kitty makeup I just showed you on my face. Yay! So I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows and just bits and pieces on my base, which is why I still look very pale. Oh no. So first I shall start with the blusher. I do just want to say I'm not the best at makeup, and I have no idea how it is going to show up in this lighting, but we are going to give it a go anyway. So I'm just taking the blusher and I'm just going to apply it here. I don't think it's quite the apples of your cheeks, but it just seems to be what suits me most. I kind of just pat my blush on, kind of, and it kind of seems to just work for me. I'm one of these people that can't go all in to start with. As my makeup carries on and I'm adding more to my face, I would then add more of a certain product. So you can see that it's got a really good colour payoff. It looks really pretty. I like that. That's quite good. This is my first Colourpop blush, so I'm quite happy. It seems to be a little bit difficult to blend out, but I think that might be because the blushes I'm used to haven't got such a good colour payoff, so you have to keep building it up. So I will just keep that in mind for the next time I use it. Now I'm actually going to take the pink one, which is Ice Sparkle, and this one was quite a subtle colour, but it had loads of sparkle in it, so I'm going to do that on my cheeks to make them even more pink and just look adorable. And we're just going to blend, you know, with our pinkies. Whoa, that is definitely some sparkle. That looks cute. I'm quite impressed with that. I love it. And these are shimmer pots say for body only, but when I looked on Colourpop's Instagram page, where they asked like makeup influencers to do like looks with the new collections they bring out, someone used it on their eyes, so we're gonna do it today. We're going to put it on our eyes because makeup influencers do it, so I assume it's okay. Sparkly cheeks achieved. So now we will be going on to eyes, and this is the part I'm most nervous about because my eyeshadow skills are not the best. I'm just going to straight up tell you they are not the best. So we will just see what kind of look I achieve and how well it shows up on camera. So these are the colours I have to work with. Right, so first I'm going to start with the middle colour, and that's just like a matte baby pink, and I'm just going to take it all over my eyes. That is the safest option to go with right now. Right, so that's given a really pretty baby pink base, which I actually really love. That's a perfect base colour for anyone that's like me and likes to do pink eyeshadow all the time. I am going to make a bold move, and some of you will not like it. I'm going to take this last like corally pink shade in Igloo Blues, and I'm going to use it for the outer corner and the crease. Now I know you're not meant to use shimmer for the crease, but I do. If the colour looks good in the crease, I'm going to use it even though it's got glitter in it, so please do not yell at me. It's looking cute. Now I'm still just like blending it out so it looks smooth and semi-professional. Now I'm going to take a more of a flat eyeshadow brush and pack on the first colour I use, just to make the inner corners a bit brighter before I add glitter. So what I'm going to do with the same brush now is I'm going to take Cuddle Weather, this really shimmery purple colour, and I'm going to put it on my inner corners and under my eye until about midway. Now I'll be taking this shimmer pot, this time it's the purpley one in shade Twinkle Me, and I'm going to be adding it to like the centre of my eye just to make my eyes even bigger. That shimmer is so much better, it's so pretty. Although I have now noticed the flaw, I was going to go put my eyeliner, mascara, eyelashes, all that stuff on now that I've done all the eyeshadow, but this is kind of like sticky, so I don't know how I'm doing my eyeliner, but I'll be back once it is done. And I am back with my makeup finished. So all I done was added some eyeliner, added some falsies which do not look too closely, they were not put on very well, added some lipstick which was NYX, and then I also added an Agiosal which I just added with my actual eyebrow powder, as that just seems to be the best colour for me, and then some glitter into the under eye as well. So this is the finished look with the Hello Kitty Colourpop collaboration makeup. I'm really happy with it. It's definitely makeup that I will be able to use for most days when I'm using makeup, as they are colours that just I use anyway. And actually a lot of the colours are colours that I can easily use but I don't actually already have, so a lot of the shimmers and the mattes I don't already have but I know I will use, so that is always a bonus. I will give you a little close-up of the makeup look. So this makeup look is actually one I'm quite proud of. I know my makeup skills are not the best, but I'm really happy with the colour combination of the pinks and the purples on the eyes and the really cute blush and glitter combination I've got going on. I think it's really cute. I think Cinema Roll would approve. So that is it for this Colourpop Hello Kitty makeup video. My impression of the makeup, it is amazing as Colourpop makeup normally is. I love their makeup, plus they are cruelty free and I believe some of it might be vegan as well. Don't hold me to it, but I think so. Please let me know what your favourite product was that you saw in this video, or if you yourself have got one of the Hello Kitty items. I would love to know which ones you've got. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe down below or wherever they have put the subscribe button this time, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye guys. Eek.